Lose weight fast, 1 cup a day melts stomach fat away. Besides its fat-melting properties, it will work wonders on your eyesight, hearing and memory and brain functions. When combined with regular cardio exercise, this drink gives amazing results. How to lose weight with 1 cup a day. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 cm fresh ginger, 4 lemons, 125 grains of horseradish. Preparation: put the horseradish and ginger in a juicer, then add juice squeezed from the lemons and continue mixing for 3 minutes. Add the honey and cinnamon and blend until the mix becomes syrupy. Pour the mixture in a jar and place it in a fridge. Consume 1 tablespoon of it twice a day for 20 days, preferably before training or meals. Benefits of horseradish. Horseradish kills microorganisms effectively and stimulates the pancreatic enzymes and intestinal juices, that way improving the digestive function. It helps with rheumatism as well, and it's a great diuretic. Horseradish root is beneficial for your heart, liver and circulation. Urinary tract infections are also treated by this vegetable, as well as respiratory issues, tonsillitis and the flu. Horseradish is low on fat and calories, but rich in antioxidants and various vitamins and minerals. Benefits of ginger. You probably know that ginger is one of the healthiest foods on earth. Ginger contains bioactive compounds which benefit your brain and the whole body. Gingerol, its active ingredient, gives the plant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can relieve vomiting, diarrhea and help with chemotherapy. These 2 plants are the main ingredients of this powerful weight loss drink. Make it and burn fat quickly. For more information, click the link in the description. Good luck!